so happy to share with you my Holy Grail Hermes bag, which I have owned for a while now, well, since late 2019, and I'm still in disbelief that I have her whenever I look at her. Any guesses what it could be, Kelly or Birkin? Please pause the video and leave your comments below. I would love to hear your guesses. Alright, anyway, thank you for coming by and I appreciate all of you queens as always. For those of you new, hello, my name is Lokie and I am obsessed about Hermes. I love talking and chit-chatting about their leathers, my precious pre-loved finds, vintage luxury, etc. So if you're into content like this, then I warmly welcome you to join my corner, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe. Oh, and I hope you hit that bell to get regular updates. So let's wind back to the end 2019 when I had a day off, chilling at home, mindlessly scrolling through Instagram when I chanced upon this gorgeous beauty which looked so juicy in the pictures, and I noticed that it was just listed and selling at a nearby consignment store. So without hesitation, I zipped right there and fell in love with her. And of course, the rest is history. I bagged my Holy Grail Hermes bag just like that. And you know, I wasn't so well versed with Hermes and leathers at that time, so this was quite a large purchase for me without having any background knowledge or doing any research prior, cause who knew this bag would pop up on Instagram? Shall we do the unboxing so you guys know what I'm talking about? Shall we? Alright, so this beauty came in this dust bag. And it is a very vintage one, even way before the orange dust bag existed. So you can guess this grand dame is a vintage piece. Now, are you ready for the unboxing? Alright, here you go. So, ta-da! One handle, and she is the Kelly 28 in Noir, in the exotic Niloticus crocodile in gold hardware, and oh my god, she's beautiful, isn't she? From memory, she's about 33 years old and a grand dame indeed, but doesn't look like she has aged a day in her life. Let's look at her in detail, shall we? Okay, so shall we look at this bag? But maybe we shall start with the dust bag first. So this is the really vintage dust bag, which came with the bag, and it's so old. It kind of looks quite rough on the surface, and the drawstring is so teeny weeny as compared to the current dust bag that we have now. So if any of you have not seen a vintage dust bag, this is how it looks, and the new one here. So now we will look at the Kelly my Holy Grail bag, which is in Noir, also known as black, in Niloticus crocodile, and this is in the shiny, and she is such a vintage piece, and she's in gold hardware. Alright, so let's have a look here. So this is how it looks. Really pretty, and I think her hardware is also very pristine. She comes in a single handle here, and you know, Kelly's only have one handle, so that's the way it is. For the crocodile, you can always see like the one paw that's in here, and the beauty about exotics is that they try to make it as symmetrical as possible. So you can see for the scales of this leather is really symmetrical. Now let's flip it on its side, and this is how it looks. And the back, well, it is as symmetrical as it can be as well. So she is such a beauty. Side view, this is how it looks as well. And we will also look at the bottom of the bag. Let's put her on her back, and there you go. So it comes with 4 studs. Very nice. I mean, she is after all a pre-loved bag, so she has a bit of scuffs on the corners, but not in horrendous condition. So she's beautiful. One more thing I would like to show you about the exotics is how it looks. The stamp. Okay, so I will just undo the buckle for you, so you have a look there. Well, it's very gorgeous. But there you go. So that's the one thing I would like to highlight. So the Hermès Paris made in France here, and you see that 2 dots, and that would be the Niloticus crocodile as compared to the Perosus one. Perosus has the inverted V, which I will try to find a photo and put it on the site here so you would know. So that's how you distinguish the Niloticus crocodile from the Perosus one. Okay, and now let's look at a few of the hardware. So this is the lock that came with this. Is beautiful. It's not like your normal leather lock where it's gold on here, but this is also made in Niloticus crocodile. Yeah, I think so. It feels like it. And the base doesn't have the number, but I think that's probably how it looks with my ostrich as well. So it's so cute. And this is the clochette that also came with it, and it's also in the Niloticus crocodile. So that's how it looks. It's beautiful. Alright, so that's how it looks. If you guys have been following me close enough, you know I love colorful bags, and honestly I do not have many black bags in my collection. I was kind of hoping for a black Kelly or Birkin in gold hardware in normal leather to add to my collection at some stage, and thought maybe someday I will get it when I finally have collected enough colors of the rainbow. But I never expected my Holy Grail bag in black, in gold hardware, to appear sooner than I expected. Well, so I am super happy to be a proud owner of this gorgeous bag, and this will be a forever home for this little granny. In fact, I have brought her to the Hermès spa for a restoration and a good spruce, which I will share with you in my next video. So if you'd like to hear more about my spa experience for an exotic leather bag, look at some before and after images, and most importantly, I will review the prices for restoration for an exotic leather, then do join me next week where I will share with you everything you need to know. Thank you again for coming and sharing my joy today in unboxing and exploring this grand dame. Well, was your guesses correct? As a new beginner myself, I did have issues finding information on exotic leathers and how to go about assessing them. If any of you would like to know more about exotic leathers, do drop me your questions down in the comment section below, or even better, if you would like me to talk more about it in future. Well, let me know that as well. I hope all of you enjoyed today's topic on Life with Lokie. I hope you hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's see you around next week for more exciting content. Take care and goodbye, queens.